take that time. Like when you're not feeling your best is when you need to remember to take that time for yourself. Good morning, guys. Happy Tuesday. Sorry if you hear the washer and dryer going. I'm leaving the door open because I noticed when the dryer's on, it gets really hot in there and it made me kind of nervous. So I'm leaving that open, but I'm finishing exporting. I just finished editing this week's podcast episode and I'm exporting it right now so that I can put it up. And it's almost 1 o'clock. Yeah, it's 12:56, so it's almost 1 o'clock. So I'm going to go make some lunch. I think I'm gonna have a turkey club for lunch today because that just sounds really good. Yeah, it's Tuesday. Not much is going on. The exterminator's coming today. So hopefully we can get this bug situation, ant situation figured out. Yeah, I don't know. I've had a headache the last few days. It's starting to come back. I literally had to take medicine in the middle of the night last night, or I think it was more like this morning, because I literally had a headache so bad all night and now it's coming back. And yeah, so that kind of stinks. Worked out. Yeah, I think for the rest of the day I'm gonna edit another vlog to get that up for tomorrow, and I'm doing laundry, and I don't know what else. Oh, I just sent my grandfather, it's his birthday tomorrow, and his gift's gonna come a day late because I didn't order it till just now. But I sent him, all he's been talking about is how we need to send him toilet paper because they're still in Florida. So I sent him a special birthday roll of toilet paper with Trump's face on it. I think he's gonna think it's so funny, and if not, then that's awkward because I think it's hilarious, but I think he'll laugh. Yeah, I just wanted to update you guys. I feel like the vlogs are getting a little bit boring, but I'm not stopping, so here we are. I was thinking of doing maybe like a morning routine or a night routine video soon. Let me know if you would like to see that. Is that interesting to anyone? Yeah, I'm gonna go make some lunch. So I'm kind of doing a club, kind of just doing a turkey sandwich. I'm toasting the bread. I do spicy mustard and a little bit of mayo. And then we have our turkey, which we get the honey turkey, I guess. Some green leaf lettuce, cut up a little bit of tomato. Then I'm gonna do a little bowl of fruit on the side. Okay, and this is it all together. I didn't do bacon or butter on the toast to make it healthier. And then just some fruit and some water. Also, just realized I haven't had coffee yet today. That's probably why I have a headache. So I guess I'll have coffee after this. Oh, my battery's gonna die. Also, Dylan's home.
Hi.
He comes home for lunch most days. I tried to part my hair down the middle and now I feel like I just look like a mop.
You stop saying that.
Well, it doesn't really look good. Maybe if I had like makeup on it would look good, but. What do you have for lunch?
I had pizza. And now some grapes.
Alright, so I decided that I'm gonna put away all the Easter stuff because Easter is over. But I'm discovering that we don't have many places to like put this stuff, so I don't know where I'm gonna put it. I think I'm gonna put it all in like this little baggie because we have like the eggs obviously and the grass. So I need to like empty out this candy, maybe throw it away. Maybe I'll put it in a bowl. Kind of just want to throw it away so I don't need it, but maybe I'll put it in a bowl. We might have Dylan's sister over this weekend, maybe we'll eat it with her, but yeah, I'm gonna put this all away and then edit a vlog. We just had the exterminator come and he was very nice. and he just put powder around the outside of our apartment and then put like this little gel stuff every like few inches on the exterior walls of the inside down here and some in the kitchen. So that should help with our ant issue. I've just been sitting here looking at Mother's Day stuff because I don't know, he was in here and I was like talking to him, but I didn't want to like just like stand there and stare at him. I folded some laundry, and I also found new music for the vlogs. So I've edited mostly like tomorrow's vlog, but I'm gonna put new music in it. So I just need to do that and then export it and get it up. These are really cute. There's so many quarantine Mother's Day things. Like there's a bunch of them that says Mother's Day 2020, the one where we were in quarantine, or this one says Mother's Day 2020 quarantine and chill. So yeah, I'm just looking at different things that we could get our mamas because that's coming up. So that's really all that's going on. I'm kind of hungry. It's like almost 3:30. And yeah. Okay guys, it's that time again. Mariah makes dinner. That's the only exciting part of the vlog. So tonight we're having grilled chicken with green beans and corn, and I'm so excited. So I need to look up how you make corn on the cob in like boiling it, because growing up we always made it in the microwave, which come to find out is not common at all. And no one knows what I'm talking about when I say I'm going to make my corn on the cob in the microwave. We don't have a microwave, so I have to boil it. And I guess, okay Google, how do I boil corn on the cob?
Sure, I've got a recipe called How to Boil Corn on the Cob from delish.com. Does that sound good?
Perfect.
Great. Would you like to start with ingredients or instructions?
Instructions.
There are 3 steps. I'll read them one by one. When you're ready to hear more, you can say, next step. First step, bring a large pot of salted water to a boil.
Okay, sorry, my camera turned off. Okay, Google, repeat step.
Second step, add corn and cook 5 minutes.
Okay, Google, next step.
Drain corn and brush with melted butter, then season with salt and pepper. That was the last step.
Oh, that's so easy.
Enjoy.
Thank you, Google. So I just need a pot, and I need to boil it and then cook them for 5 minutes. Easy enough. And then I'm gonna do the green beans on the stove as well. Excuse me while I make all the noise in the world. Okay, I need to put this down. My parents let us borrow their little like grill, like that you use on the countertop. So last night we did burgers on that, and then tonight we're gonna do grilled chicken. You know how they say you're either gonna come out of quarantine a chef or an alcoholic? I'm gonna be chefing up. No, I'm not really gonna be chefing up, and I can't wait to eat at a restaurant. But I have been cooking a lot, so I'm trying new recipes. We're gonna try the pad see ew this week. I'm learning how to use a grill. Just kidding, I've actually cooked chicken on this grill before. But yeah, I'm gonna do green beans. So for green beans, I do green beans, olive oil, garlic powder, salt and pepper. That's about it. They're so good, I love green beans. So I'm gonna shuck my corn. I'm gonna tell Google to play some music. And yeah, get to cooking. It's 5:43, so yeah. Okay, Google, pause. Alright, I know I just said I'm gonna come out a chef, not an alcoholic, but I opened this bottle of wine and I haven't finished it, and I need to finish it before it goes bad because we can't just throw it away. So I'm gonna have a glass of wine while I cook. I prefer having a glass of wine while I cook as opposed to like while I eat. I don't know why, it just like makes the cooking experience more enjoyable, you know? So I'm just having a little Pinot Grigio. I'm gonna make margaritas this week on Friday for my dad's birthday. Like, I'm gonna make them, like, we're lime juicing, like, the whole, well, I'm not juicing limes. I'm gonna buy it in a bottle. But I'm excited. I'm gonna be a little bartender. Also, if you noticed all the cans on our counter, it's because we literally have 3 bags under the sink of cans because we're saving them all to, like, recycle them. But we need to get the bags to recycle them. They're supposed to be sending us the coupon to get the bags. So that's why we have cans everywhere. Cheers. Alright, so we did the chicken in lemon pepper with lemon juice marinade, which smells delish. I'm gonna pull it out. It's been marinating all day. Yum. Raw chicken, everyone loves to look at that. I just turned on the little grill thing. I don't know what temperature it's supposed to be on. Just kind of going with it. I don't know. This is the most fun I've had all day. Our corn has 2 more minutes. Our green beans are starting to sizzle. How exciting. You're gonna wanna get this. It's gonna be prime content. Because I burnt the Okay, updates are the corn on the cob is going to be freezing because I decided to do that first and that took literally the least amount of time. The chicken, I'm not really sure about. I'm just kind of letting it sit there and flipping it every once in a while until Dylan gets home. Our green beans, the pan is shot. It's completely burnt, but they're looking good. A little crispy the way we like it. Put that on low. Dylan's on his way home. Yeah. I've just been jamming around in the kitchen until he clearly turned his music on, and now I can't listen to music, so I want a lot of things, but how fun, although it's raining, so like not today, but you know, like when it gets like right before summer, like that springtime, it's like a nice night out, you like cook like food like this, like barbecue food, and then you drive to the beach and you get ice cream. That's all I want right now. And it's raining and ice cream places are closed, so that's not gonna happen. But how fun does that sound? Guys, I did it, I cooked the chicken. It's not even pink. Dylan's home now. Ow, that was my side. We got the chicken, we got the corn, we got the vegan butter for the corn, we got green beans. Dinner was so good, and now it's cleanup time.
Clean up, everybody.
So I saw in one of Remy's vlogs that if you boil water It'll like make the pan not so burnt and gross and clean it. So that's what I'm gonna try to do. All right, so we cleaned up and I forgot that I left my camera on top of the fridge. But we watched an episode of McMillions. Now Dylan's playing video games. I'm gonna go upstairs and watch some YouTube. And yeah, that's pretty much our night. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Make sure to subscribe down below and follow me on Instagram, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.